Mystery Reveal, we're doing a video. You're the Star Wars director, aren't you? Remember this guy? A miniature cyclotron. It is, actually. Okay, following what Dr. Harold Wilson said. Oh, that's where I put that one. Okay. Oh, I was looking for you, so I'll take you out. Yeah, I made that some months ago. A couple of months ago now. Okay, so we got a baby cyclotron with magnets, okay. Adjustable and power supply down here. I call it the baby cyclotron. Oh yeah, I got to get the other half of that waveguide system, and we got also here for RF. It's portable. Not those cyclotrons are very big and heavy and miles of interesting stuff. So we got all these connectors here. Okay. Power supplies now are freed up so I can get to them properly. Yeah. Alright. Okay. Now, what is it going to do? What I want to do is redo this thing here. So it's closer to controls. It's on wheels now, but I want to split it. Have that section for this unit. This section, what I'm going to do is get a sheet of plywood, cut in half. Got the proper height. Again, that's down too low to work with that. Even that is too low. Sheet of plywood cut in half, 24 by 10, 24 with two 2x4s behind, screwed and glued, and lean it against or mount it against something. Once I have ideas to do that, to go into details, will take a while. Oh yeah, we got the rubber down there. Okay. And that space I can use for capacitor bank. And what else are we doing, EVO? We got all this done. The back of these would be good for sort of mounting. Most of the weight would be on the floor. Yeah, that's a good idea. Okay, now we have this over here. And okay, I got an idea, so let's follow through with you. Follow through with the idea. Is that that's three-phase, 24,000 volts, 50,000 volts over there. All up there is 50,000, 100,000. Okay, I'm getting ideas. Good to have that control panel further away to all that stuff. Yeah, okay. It'll work. It will work out, I tell you. Where'd you go to? Oh, there you are. What else we got cooking down here? Power supplies. Oh, modern stuff. Well, it seems to still work. Oh, spectrum analyzer. It works. Still works after all this weird testing I've been doing. Okay, so I'm thinking. like to have good control systems for all this stuff. Magnets, variable currents, voltages, variables, and inductors and resistors. I like the idea of 5-gallon bucket of water with salt and 2 electrodes in it. Makes an excellent conductor. Regulator system. Ay, ay, ay. Oh! So, all those rings and balls are for a purpose, you know. You know electricity, don't you? Q and sparks and stuff. You want to suppress certain sparks. You want to enhance certain sparks. Traveling wave tube guides. Main sparking system will be over there. Hard to see it because everything's in the way, but I'll just slide that back later. Put the magnet underneath that. Get the capacitors tested again, which I like doing. Make sure there's no big bang or sparks flying off in the wrong direction, right? Okay, now we have a corona ring up here and all. Yeah. Okay. Alrighty, so we're having fun, Major. Some of this is power conditioned equipment. Vintage, of course. VLF radio receivers, regeneration type. This is a modern, tiny modern power supply down there. Jeez. Yeah, okay. There's other control areas behind all this stuff. This is just where I'm been working with Mr. Floor Crane for a while. Yeah. Yeah, that was an interesting project. I gotta still finish it off though. Yeah, it's high voltage cables. I'll put them over here for now. And move this guy around. Oh, very heavy, very heavy, very heavy. Let's get around here. Controls, circuit, direct current, high voltage, DC, 100,000 volts roughly. Oh, what are you doing there? Oh, yeah. Coil arrangements. Magnetic field here. Oh, this is turnable. Yeah, it is. Okay. You can tune it and point it. These are very powerful magnets. Built like I used to have, kind of with a ball in the middle with radium in there. A little bit. Nothing too dangerous. This part here, okay. Can you guess where this part came from? And these parts. Can you guess? That's 95 on the warships. The coil room. And let's take a look at this guy. That's perfect waveguide materials. Magnetron, klystron, carcinotron. Feeds right into the center of this guy. Hits the ball. This is also high voltage power and magnetic field structures. And what else we got here? But anyway, I'll worry about that later. This is way too low, but it has to do for now. I think that's okay like that. Okay. Small radar receiver, of course. Anyway. Yeah, that's too way. This is stupid having it way down this low. And too close to this stuff here. Okay. Too close. No good. Take a look. I'm looking for something too. Okay. Oh, there it is. Oh, clear. All right. Found it. This is a TV set, believe it or not. I think I mentioned that in another video. Tiny screen. Wow. Oh, what do we got here? This is a good example of a small cyclotron. Which is this fellow right here, right? Yeah. Small fella. And of course, with this in the way, I can't get to this other stuff back here, so unless I move it. But, oh well. Okay, so we're just talking and talking and talking, right? I'll put this guy over here, I think. Let's see where. No. Won't do. So, since it's close to the magnetron, I can put a 24 by what? 8-foot piece of plywood there and mount it. The gauge is over in this area because I've got enough space here to do that. Then the other lower one I can mount is probably here or in this indentation here, but okay. So we're just covering up, doing a log of what I'm doing, eh? Let's see, this area now is clear. Oh, yeah. Okay. It's okay. Light eval. All right, we're getting there. We're getting there. Another cyclotron type thing. Okay. Oh, well. Are we having fun yet, EVO? Well, I'm thinking of something else, too. Where are we here? Okay. Radar. George Hathaway gave me that a long time ago. I mentioned that before, too. Oh, so where are we here? Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah. Okay, good. Well, okay, it's finished up. I'll look at it tonight and see, make up my mind what to do. Ha ha ha. Won't I reveal? Let's take a look at something here. Yeah. Okay.